What are the disadvantages of a blind trust? Imagine handing over your assets to someone else and having no say in how they are managed. That's what a blind trust involves. It can seem like a simple way to keep things private or avoid conflicts of interest, but it's not without its pitfalls. One big issue is losing control. Once you put assets into a blind trust, you no longer decide how they are managed or invested. The trustee makes all those calls without needing your approval. If your financial situation changes suddenly or you need access to funds, it can be hard or even impossible to get them back quickly. Another concern is depending heavily on the trustee's honesty and skill. If the trustee mismanages the assets or acts unethically, you could face financial losses. Legal options to recover those losses can be limited, especially if the trust agreement restricts oversight. Plus, because blind trusts are designed to keep you in the dark about what's happening, you won't have much transparency. You might not know how your assets are performing or if they're being misused, which can be unsettling. Flexibility is also limited. Many blind trusts are irrevocable, meaning you can't change the terms or access the assets easily once they're set up. If your circumstances change, this rigidity can be a real problem. Setting up a blind trust can also be costly. You'll need to pay legal fees, trustee fees, and ongoing administrative expenses, which can add up quickly. For some, these costs outweigh the benefits. Tax implications are another factor. Depending on whether the trust is revocable or irrevocable, there could be unfavorable tax consequences. For example, if it's revocable, you might still be responsible for taxes on the income generated by the trust. This can complicate your overall tax planning. Lastly, blind trusts don't automatically protect your assets from creditors or reduce estate taxes. They are just one tool in estate planning and might need to be combined with other strategies to meet all your goals. In elder law or estate planning, blind trusts are often used when someone wants to stay out of the day-to-day management of assets, especially if they're concerned about conflicts of interest or incapacity. But it's important to weigh these disadvantages carefully. Making sure you understand the loss of control, costs, and potential risks can help you decide if a blind trust fits your estate plan. Consulting with a legal professional can guide you to the best options for your situation.